So once you've opened up Paystack, you're going to go to the left side. You're going to scroll down a bit and look for something which says settings. After selecting settings, we have different tabs here. We have profile, contact accounts, preferences, team, API keys, and webhooks. You're going to select team. After selecting team, if you go to the right side here, you'll notice a green button which says invite someone. So we are going to select that one. So it says here invite team member. So where it says email address, you simply have to enter the email address of the person that you want to invite. And then you can choose the role of that person that you're trying to invite. So if I use the downward arrow here or the drop-down option, you could either give them the option to be an admin, operations, developer support, customer support, direct debit admin, or signatory. So I'm going to select admin, and I'm going to enter in the email address. And then we have an option here where it says, this team member is a developer. So if that person that you're trying to invite is a developer, then you can tick this option. Then once you're done, you're going to go here and you're going to select invite team member. So now it says invite sent. Then that person simply has to go to their emails and then they have to accept the invite. So it says here, you have been invited to join an integration of Paystack. It says there, hi there, just sent you an invitation to join the Morton's Bakery team on Paystack. Afterwards, simply what they need to do is they need to set up an account and they're finished. And there you go.